I've been comparing Pipedrive and Apollo throughout 2025, and here's my honest and unbiased review on which one might actually be better depending on your business goals. Pipedrive is a clean, sales-first CRM that's perfect if your focus is on managing deals, tracking sales performance, and keeping your pipeline organized. It's known for its visual layout, easy automation, and seamless email integration, making it a go-to choice for sales teams that want simplicity without sacrificing power. It doesn't overwhelm you with features you won't use, and that's what makes it efficient for day-to-day selling. Apollo, meanwhile, is more of an all-in-one platform that combines outreach, prospecting, and CRM into a single tool. It's especially useful for outbound sales teams who rely on email sequences, cold calling, and lead scraping. Apollo's database is huge, and you can find verified contacts, launch multi-step outreach campaigns, and even track performance, all in one place. But its interface can feel a bit more complex, and it might take longer to master. So if you want a straightforward sales CRM with great usability, Pipedrive is a solid pick. But if your team is heavily focused on lead generation and outreach at scale, Apollo might give you more bang for your buck. I hope this comparison helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.